Hi, Bailey. Oop.
Bailey must be old.
You're okay.
What's that, Bailey?
Okay.
Yeah, what's that? Bailey.
Hi, Bailey. I'm home. I
Bailey.
missed you. Who's that? Who's that? That's Natalie. Does she smell yummy?
You gotta leave her in there, Zach, okay?
Does she smell yummy?
Good girl. Yeah. Natalie. She's a good girl.
That's nice. Unless you're going to put her on the table and take her out.
Okay. Take her out,
You want
Zach.
to take off your jacket, Zach?
I didn't take her out.
Well, not outside. We're just going to take her out of her seat.
I'm gonna take the blanket.
Nadia's got it, okay?
You can take that blanket. Thank you. This blanket always stays in. Whoa! Be careful. Be careful. She likes her hat on.
But
Be careful.
I know, babies wear hats inside the house too.
stop it. Stop it, Billy.
She's sniffing.
smell it?
She's sniffing. She can
She's
sniff it.
smelling because Natalie's new. She's never
You
met
know how Bailey
Natalie
likes
before.
to smell things?
And she smells all sorts of good stuff.
Yeah, let her smell it. Let her smell this thing. Here, Bailey. You smell it? You good girl.
Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Hi. Welcome home. Welcome home. Can you give me her hat, Zach? Do you know where it went?
Where's her hat?
Where's the hat?
It's right there. It's right behind you. Give it
Here's
to
my
Mom.
hat.
Can I have it?
The hat.
Oh, no,
Hat,
gentle.
hat, 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 hat.
Thank you.
Hat, 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 hat.
Got enough?